Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. It's another day. अगर ये अपना नींबू का चम्मच घुमाना कम करेगा तो मेरी आवाज क्लियर आ जाएगी.
बात तो सही है.
Hi Austin. Can you just stop doing that? Like the anyways I don't have a mic, so मुझे ऐसे घुस के बात करनी पड़ती है. So I've ordered this fruit salad. He's having this. He knows that I love peanuts and almost just one bite was left and he's like, do you want it?
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
Wow, your timings है. And yesterday we completed our shoot like around 2 a.m. I'm sorry. And the bal sab usi
I can't hear you. Your voice, there is noisy.
Okay,
Too
so
many
now
noise
he's
there.
on phone. And this is the hotel. Today is gonna be I think the last day in Bangalore, and then I'm gonna go back to Bombay. Yo Austin, how was the shoot?
That was good.
Did you like the food yesterday? Why?
There was no food actually. It was almost like there was no food.
See, he's saying bad, and now production will come against me.
Yeah. I want you to post it. Let them see it. Let them see it. I said it. They know I said it. Let them see it.
I didn't say a word.
Yeah, I said it.
Yeah. और यहाँ पे हमारे एक पनवाड़ी की दुकान भी है, जहाँ से ही टेक सिगरेट्स एंड आई टेक स्वीट पान एवरी डे. तो ये कैलोरीज कट करता हूँ, मैं कैलोरीज बढ़ा लेती हूँ यहाँ पे. नाउ लेट मी एंजॉय. चीयर्स विद द लेमोनेड. क्योंकि सारा ऐसे घूम रही जैसे पता नहीं कल हमने कितनी ही पार्टी कर ली हो भाई. रात को कितने 3 बजे हम चाय पी रहे हैं. आई स्लेप्ट एट 5 yesterday, you know. I slept at 5 because 2 cups tea in me at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. Since I just started vlogging, so I took advice from my friend. Like, should I actually show कि मैं क्या खा रही हूँ? क्योंकि for me, I mean, it's okay, it's normal thing. But what do you wanna have to say? What should I do? Should I show all these things?
Yeah, sure.
Why?
Everybody would
Be
like
loud.
to see
I don't have a mic.
it. Everybody would like to say it, of course.
आगे भी कुछ बोला था तुमने that I am fit. ऐसे लग रहा है मैं इसके मुंह में I'm putting words in his mouth, but no. Actually, he said that. That's why I opened the camera. Yes. So we have. Okay. So we have papaya, and then this is pineapple. This is watermelon, and this is यार ये क्या होता है? Pears. नहीं, this is not pears. I don't know.
That's pears.
Pears only, na? Okay. So it is apple, papaya, pears, and watermelon, and we have lemon juice. And इस glowy त्वचा का राज है ये Snapchat का filter. YouTube vlog बना रही हूँ और कह रही Snapchat filter कहीं से चलेगा रे. फिर YouTube कैसे मेरा प्रमोट करेगा? Oh my goodness! Hi. What are you wearing? Hi.
It's my friends. You see, like this is my friends too.
These are my friends from Russia.
No. Namaskar.
Oh my goodness.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Namaskar.
Namaskar, Michael. He's so fucking busy.
Yeah. You're busy, bro.
He never talks with him when he's with his wife. Never. Never.
He cut it off. He cut it off. He don't want to consider.
We have the rapper also. Hi. Hey guys, what's up? So today was my leave. मतलब आज हमारी शूट नहीं थी. शूट हमारी कल है. I'm still in Bangalore. So I just thought कि क्यों ना थोड़ा shopping करा जाए. So I've heard that UB City Mall is very nice in Bangalore. So मैं अभी यहीं जा रही हूँ. मेरे होटल से कुछ I think 40 minutes away. So I'm gonna reach there. So let's go to UB City Mall today. Hey guys, so I have come to Apple store and I want to buy this watch. So there are 2 watches. This one is of 25,000 something and the other one is of 45 something. तो इसमें तुम ECG वगैरह वो सब भी चेक कर सकते हो. तो मुझे लगा 20,000 बचा लो. जब ECG कराना होगा मैं करवा लूँगी. So I'm buying this watch. Hi guys, so I bought this watch. ये वॉच मैंने ली तो इसलिए कि मैं इससे अपना थोड़ा फिटनेस का ख्याल रख सकूँ. बट पता चलेगा जब मैं 10,000 एक्चुअली में कवर कर पाऊंगी. And this is the watch. Can you help me out? Like this?
Lights.
Okay.
Bro.
No.
MacBook stock है ना bro में.
Okay.
MacBook है.
I got reminded of my iPhone. जब मैं iPhone ले रही थी तभी मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी.
MacBook
What is
M4
this?
16 to 56.
Okay, so this is the dial.
16 to 56 है.
I need भैया हमारी वीडियो खराब करते हैं फोन पे बात कर करके. I think rest of the world. So how's it? It looks good. I have come to this mango store and it looks good actually. एक घड़ी तो मैं ले चुकी हूँ but now I feel like I want to buy something for the parties maybe. So I had just seen at this watch and let me show you कि when I'm sure. Yeah, just alter this na.
It's actually detachable.
Detachable?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you do that?
It's like that.
Okay.
And then you have to remove. If you want another one, just remove this.
Oh, okay, okay. Super. Super, super, super. So just do that and make me wear it. I'm gonna wear it now
I
only.
removed
Just
the
set the
one.
time also. You remove the one? Super. Just pack it in this and let's go. I love the watch. I love this watch. So we have bought two watches together. One is from MK, but they didn't have this poly bag, so they are giving me the poly bag of Emporio money. Then the first one I bought from Apple, and one shades I bought, and now I'm done for the shopping. ठीक है, अब मेरे को चले जाना चाहिए क्योंकि कल मेरी shoot है. So I'm just gonna go for dinner and then I'm gonna go back to my hotel. Wow, I love this hotel. This is Shiro Hotel in Bangalore in UB City Mall. This is so good. I love the vibe. This is the bar section. Then again, I'm sitting outside and we have again this full lady. Or this is me. And अभी मैंने order करा है अपना favorite sushi and dim sums. And I'm gonna stuff myself before I go to bed. I like this. This is sushi, right?
Vegetarian sushi. Wasabi, ginger, and sauce.
Thank you. So this is virgin hot toddy. This is sushi, and now dumplings.
This is a bang bang summer roll.
Oh wow, super.
Vietnamese roll.
Oh, this is rice paper roll. मतलब ये spring rolls हैं, but rice paper roll में because it's the healthier version. And this is virgin hot toddy, and I love it. This is my favorite drink. So this is
Mushroom and cheese dumpling.
mushroom and cheese. Wow, I love it. Even this is very tasty. Yes, and then I have this. And that's my shopping bag. And that's the hotel.
तू शकीनी रखे लाग कद तेरा रफल पठानी वर्गा M16 जही रखिया तू फिगर बना मामी सच कतल तेरा टच